In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off redstone torches in Minecraft with lever. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can actually change the state of any redstone torch. As you can see in here, I'm using a button, and it turns off for a brief second. However, by using a lever, you can permanently change the state. All that you have to do is send power using the lever to the redstone torch. So as you can see in this configuration, I have the lever above the block where the redstone torch is placed. I can place it all around and all of them will be turned off. So as you can see, this works. And you should also be able to place the lever wherever you wish. So in this example here at the back, you can place it on the side. And as long as you place it in the same block as the torch, you will be able to get this done. There might be some limitations when you try to do this with redstone dust, so as you can see in this example here, it won't work because the redstone torch is essentially powering up the signal. But as long as you are able to put the redstone torch on a block and then use the lever to send the signal through the block, you will be good to go. So just be aware of the configuration that you have set up and you will be able to get this done. As long as the redstone torch is touching the block that is being powered by the lever, you will be able to use it to enable or disable it accordingly. You can do all sorts of systems with this, and as long as it is placed in this manner, you will be able to use the lever to enable or disable the redstone torch. So I'm going to place some redstone lamps here to demonstrate. And like I said, this will work with any block that can pass a signal. Just make sure that you set it up correctly. So in this example here, I can use this lever to enable or disable all of these lamps at once, because the redstone torch will either be powered on or off. So just place it in the same block as the lever. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off redstone torches in Minecraft with lever. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.